Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm now at Kota Kinabalu, Lokawi, Food Resources Centre Bahar, the manufacturing factory. We're going to show you today the packaging process of the Eco Yap fresh milk, all the way from Keningau cattle farm. Here they are. We're going to catch up with them. So these are the raw fresh milk from Keningau, the cattle farm. Let's come and join me.
First and foremost, the most important step that they need to proceed with is the quality test before any of the raw milk from the insulated milk tanks are transferred.
And you can see one of the staff gathers out of the raw milk. So the sample going to the QC to check whether there is any alcohol, whether any bacteria inside or things like that. So they're going to check it. They're going to have this quality check.
Quality test is to ensure that the raw milk are fresh, hygiene, free from contamination of pathogen and alcohol. Result will be ready in about 10 to 15 minutes. Once quality test is passed, only then the raw milk will be pumped to the ultra-clean antiseptic tanks.
These are the chill tanks. Raw milk are transferred to the piping into these two chill tanks.
From these tanks, the pipings are connected to the pasteurized tanks in which will go through two different individual processes.
This is the area, the pasteurization process.
One of it will be heated at 87 degrees Celsius, which the fresh milk can last for 22 days under chilling condition. The other one will be under ultra heated treatment, UHT 140 degrees Celsius, to extend its shelf life to 6 months under chilling condition. The fresh milk will be transferred to the filling up machine after the pasteurization process.
This is incredible.
Our filling machine.
Okay, this is the filling machine.
It's interesting to watch how it works inside the filling up machine through different phases. First, from empty milk carton boxes, then fixing their caps, sterilizing through UV lights, drying up, filling it with fresh milk, flap potting, and sealing up the top. Automatically move on to the conveyor belt to get expiry dates printed. Putting them into the plastic containers, lifting in the chilling room under 0 Celsius to -4 degrees Celsius. Now they are ready to be loaded on trucks for distributions. As I'm witnessing and observing throughout the whole process, I can be so confident and assured to all consumers that Eco Yap fresh milk contains absolutely no artificial colors or flavor, no preservatives of sugar, and that is why it maintains the original taste is from the raw milk. The original sweetness from the Napier grasses, which the moo cows fed. I have tested the Napier grass myself at the cattle farm. Food Resources Centre Bahar holds strictly to the business principle, that is, to ensure the food quality and safety at all times.
Here we are once again. We want to thank our production manager, Mr. Jason, who lead us the tour around the whole building, how the packaging process is done until the end of it to be loaded and sent out to all the clients. Thank you so much, and we learned so much from the whole company, from Keningau, from cattle farm until here. Thank you so much, and we really learned a lot. We hope you guys learned something from this as well. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode. Bye. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to share among your friends. Remember to subscribe and click the bell button at the same time so that we will notify you whenever we upload any new episodes every week. Stay tuned. Bye.